On the Sony A7 IV, there's a really useful tool called the Zebra, and what the Zebra does is shows you what is maybe overexposed, maybe it shows you what is losing highlights, or what becomes pure white with no details left. So it really shows you about exposure. So this is how we can access this. So if you go into the function menu, just by pressing that FN button, all we can do is go across and find Zebra display. And then we can turn this off, and obviously we can turn it back on. Now to find this without it there, all we have to do is go into our main setting, go to exposure/color by going into our menu, and then we go here, we go Zebra display, and then you can turn it on and off. And then you can also affect the level or the amount, so you can do a custom amount. So this will tell you, okay, you've got 70, which is the max brightness right there, or you could make it even higher. And as you can see, as you get to 90, it gets even more sensitive to it. So that's what we could do there. So then you can have your custom settings there as well. I normally just have it on 70, but yeah, that's how we could do it on the filmmaking setting. And then if we switch it to the photography setting, we both access it on a different menu. So that's how we do it there with the main menu option there. But we could also customize the function menu, as I did with a different tutorial on how we could use the display settings. So thank you for watching, and like and subscribe to see more.